Hey everyone, having trouble joining Roblox games on your PlayStation? You're not alone. The main reasons you might see a join error often boil down to three key things: your NAT type, privacy settings, and overall network connectivity. Let's break it down. NAT type controls how your PS5 or PS4 connects to the internet and other players. Think of it like a gatekeeper. If it's too strict, it blocks connections. Privacy settings on both Roblox and PlayStation can also prevent you from joining games if they're set too restrictively. Finally, a slow or unstable internet connection can cause issues too. Key takeaway: it's usually a combination of these factors, not just one single problem. First, check your NAT type in your PlayStation's network settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and view connection status. You want Open NAT, which is Type 1. Moderate is Type 2, and Strict is Type 3. If it's not open, you'll need to adjust your router settings. If your NAT is moderate or strict, you'll need to set up port forwarding on your router. Access your router's admin panel and forward UDP ports 49152 through 65535. This is the range that Roblox uses for connections. Save your changes and restart your PlayStation. Next, check your privacy settings in Roblox. Go to Settings, then Privacy. Make sure Who can invite me to private servers is set to allow friends or everyone, depending on your preference. This can prevent join errors if set too restrictively. Check your PlayStation family safety settings. Go to Settings, then Family and Parental Controls. Make sure parental controls aren't blocking connections. Also, disable Do Not Disturb mode on your PS5, as this can interfere with game joins. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You need at least 10 Mbps download speed for smooth gameplay. A wired Ethernet connection is much more reliable than Wi-Fi for gaming. Check your connection in PlayStation settings and test with a speed test site. If you're still having trouble, try Roblox's Connection Wizard beta tool in the app settings. It can help diagnose network issues automatically. Remember, fixing these connection problems can be trial and error, so be patient and try one change at a time.